Hey everyone, today we'll see what is LCM. LCM is basically least common multiple, which means the smallest common multiple of two or more numbers. For example, if we have 4 and 6, what are the multiples of 4? 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, then 16, 20 and so on. What are the multiples of 6? 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 6 is 24. So on and so forth. So here, what is the least common multiple? The common number in the multiples is 12. Right? So this 12 becomes LCM of 4 and 6. Now we'll take three numbers and we'll try to find out the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. What are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, so on. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. So how do we find multiples of such kind of numbers? For this kind of scenarios, we'll use a factor tree method. Each number we'll write in terms of prime numbers, multiples of prime numbers. 3 is already a prime number, so we'll write 3 into 1. 4 will become 2 into 2. 5 is already a prime number, so 5 into 1. Is there any common number here? There is no common number in the multiples. So we just multiply everything. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, which becomes 3 into 2 is 6, 6 2's 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So the LCM of 3, 4, 5 is 60. In the same way, we'll do one more example. Let's find LCM for 12 and 18. 12 we can write as 2 into 6. 6 can be 2 into 3. And 18 we can write as 2 into 9 and 9 can be 3 into 3. So what are common here? 2 is common and 3 is common. So the LCM will be 2 into 3, this 2 into 3 which are common, and the leftover prime numbers 2 and 3, which is 2, 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 36. So the LCM of 18 and 12 is 36. Now a small exercise for you. What is the LCM of 8 and 12. Do solve and let us know in the comments. Happy learning!